and then also you could just identify where certain materials were by searching in the system. So if there are items that you often lose or tools that are often misplaced, would having some sort of positioning system be useful?
Mm-hmm. Yes, absolutely. So we've implemented at least 3 times what we say is a manufacturing execution system. Right? Exactly what you said. To understand the inventory, partial, total, to understand where the job is in a certain level of the manufacturing process, right? The status of this job and so on. So like and the type of material or the part number sometimes, the module sometimes, if this is exactly what you're talking about, and providing also all the operators, all the relevant instructions for the process. So this is what I name manufacturing execution system.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah, I'm familiar with MES, but I'm talking about if you were to have a lighting infrastructure in place that was able to pick up positioning data from sensors on the shop floor, and then you were able to, on a software dashboard, say, I'm looking for pallet 1, 2, 3, 4, and it would highlight for you where in the plant that material was. That's the type of positioning I'm talking about, where MES assigns materials to different value streams and consumes them in the system and manages inventory levels. This is more locating exactly where they are physically. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. No, in fact, my manufacturing execution system is exactly what we do inside the plant, outside the inventory, right? I'm assuming the inventory control, warehouse management system is obviously for inside inventory. Manufacturing execution systems is for goods outside inventory on the plant. But for the plant, obviously, what I've used was some sort of encoders or some codes on the products and sorts of sensors, sometimes manual sensors by stations, right? So on every manufacturing station or cell or line or machine, when we have a kind of a 2D barcode or a standard barcode, there was, acknowledged, I have the opportunity to understand the material, the location, and the status, completion status in terms of manufacturing process. So that's the traditional way, right, to identify this. This is a traditional way. The traditional way is we encode it on the product itself or barcode, traditional barcode, or 2D barcode or something like that. And traditional scanning, maybe manual scanning, maybe automatic scanning, because the part may flow through a conveyor and flow in the same spot, same position at a time that you can capture. So the manufacturing execution system I'm saying is similar to what you said, but it's something that we've been doing for decades to have this kind of knowledge, to have this kind of information of physical material position and status inside your manufacturing process. But absolutely,
so in
absolutely.
That process, the MES type scanning tag based process, if someone were to misscan a tag or forget to scan a material or pick up a material and put it somewhere else than where it was scanned in, would it be misplaced, or how would you find where the material is?
Yeah. Obviously, if for instance, if you miss, there are some kind of error-proofing methodologies on the manufacturing execution system. That, for instance, if he misses to scan, right? So you're gonna block the operation, not prove the operation, so the goods cannot be downstream, right? So that's something very simple if he misses. If the operator scans or automatically scanned, sometimes somebody picks the material off for instance, off the conveyor, right? For something, obviously you will not be recognized, right? You will not be recognized downstream. So